Hey team, well, we're in Auckland Airport, Auckland International Airport. We're about to head to Japan, which is going to be a sailing trip, and the girls have gone upstairs to the Kuru Lounge to go and have some breakfast before we jump on the plane.
Air New Zealand flight 990 to Apia is ready to depart.
I'm not
All
going to
passengers should be on board the aircraft at gate 5. This is the final call.
There you go, Evan Samoa Airport. Have a great day. See ya.
How's that? Look at me, Zara. Look at the camera. And pet the otter.
Team, there's a bit of a check-in. We're in Shibuya crossing, and the girls have just gone upstairs to a 5-level Kiddieland, and I'll just turn the camera around and show you. Yeah, so here is Kiddieland. Crazy thing is, it's hot. It's about 30 degrees. Enjoying the heat, enjoying the food, enjoying the travel, but we've only got one day here in Tokyo, so we're making the most of it while we're here, and then we're heading back on the train. It's been an hour's drive back to Narita, where we're staying the night, and then flying off to Istanbul, so stay with us. Our little Japanese lesson. So in the morning you say ohayou gozaimasu, which is good morning. In the afternoon you say konnichiwa, and to say thank you you say arigatou gozaimasu. Once again, in the morning ohayou gozaimasu, in the afternoon konnichiwa. Konnichiwa you can say all the time, so it's basically hello in Japanese. And arigatou gozaimasu, and sometimes you shorten it to arigato. So if a person bows at you, we had lots of people bowing at us, you can, the rule is you can bow back, but it might be easy just to say arigato, because all of a sudden you're bowing lower than them and they bow lower than you, and you just about get together. Anyway, that's our little Japanese lesson for today. Cheers. If you're coming to Japan, I do recommend you grab a train. The trains get you around all over the place. On the Japan rail line, there's a variety of different trains. So there's a Narita Express, which gets you from Narita Airport into Tokyo or Shibuya or wherever you need to go. And then there's the other trains that stop at each station. The express train, I think, from Narita Airport into Shibuya today, I think cost us about $132 for the three of us. Which gives us a ticket all the way in and all the way out. Now, when you catch these trains, you can reserve your seats. So you reserve your seats and they give you tickets for that. Otherwise, what happens is you get a non-reserved seat and you pay musical chairs. So you sit wherever you can until the person who has reserved the seat comes to cleansing. So you just move around the train. There's a couple in front of us experience. So recommend it. Grab a train. They travel quite fast and get you all over the place in a minute of no time. And it's been a great trip. And here's the cleanser. Free Wi-Fi, so you can use your Wi-Fi on the train. Gives you a variety of different information to know what to do and how to do it. It's well worth it. Check it out.